fix this small mistake, you will no longer lose your document. Many beginners are still struggling about this icon. They need to minimize, but they use this close icon. Actually, once you mix this tools here, you will lose your data consistently. So to fix this, let me show you how you can use this minimize and these close icons. Yes, to minimize your document in Microsoft Word, you need to come and click here on this minus sign. You click here, and as you see, you can do your different tasks while your document is still opened here on Microsoft Word. You see it's still there. But once you click on this close is when you need to end your Word document. You click here, and as you see, is no longer available here on the taskbar, right? So this is how you can make sure that your document is either open or closed in your computer. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.